Menteri ka tho ka puli ubala ka man rumbui ulaya thu ba kamlong ka basuk ban ai mobile phone ya baro ki samla puli jang ka jilla ula ong ba lada ai mobile phone ki ka sarkar kan haban penlut da ki spa klur tengka ulaya thu ru ba ka jingpen biang ya ka internet ru kalong ka ba tikna tang ya ka megalia hendra ya baro ka than shatai lam mingi Shushu, Menteri ula ong ba ka sarkar pedeng kala ai hadu pras pa teli ki mobile tower nagbenta ka megalia henry ya kani ka skim 4 pentrikam nakadaw ba kidon bon ki jinge.
The pass percentage is only 52.92. But if you see the numbers, last year is about 26,000 students pass. But this year, about 34,000 plus students have passed. So the number does not decrease. It is only because that this year due to this situation, the student could not prepare well. The student could not go to class. But that's why I'm very happy that the student, they work very well. They try to do very well. That's why we have seen that the number of pass, I'm not talking about percentage, is 34,000 plus in SSLC. And then I already state times and again that online is not a substitute to classroom teaching. But in these circumstances, what is the other way? This is one of the way which the student, again, I congratulate the student who could clear the exam, that in spite of all these challenges, in spite of all these difficulties, they could overcome their determination, their goal to reach the top, that overcome all those challenges. See,
Is the government
now they didn't have any proposal. Yes, we want to provide, but as I said before, 34,000 students have passed. If we are to provide a smartphone, it will cost the state not less than 150 crore. And that also is not that once you provide the gadget that it is okay, but you have to have the data, and that data also costs. And not only that, we have the problem of the network connectivity. And these are the challenges. It's not related to the state of Meghalaya only. It is the challenge everywhere, all over the country. So it is Garo Hills region. It is always performing below par. That's why, if you remember, in 2019, we have formed the Garo Hills region for academic evaluation, or that committee has submitted a report which some intervention could be done and many could not be done because due to this the school could not be conducted. So this process, it is already in the mind of the government. I think this government is the first who analyze why this happened. So the report have already been submitted by the committee 2020 or 20 in the month of April, I didn't remember exactly, and we have already implemented some of that recommendation, but we could not do all because we need the classroom teaching to start, and the movement of the people from one place to another place need to start. So we will do what it is need to be done. Hakati day jom kanya house nem arajar khandai la gambakla. Ka sarkar India kala sanction kumba praspa tam ki mobile tower hapo ka state of Meghalaya. Banshna Henry ki bun ki jaka kim yo ban jaka teka kimanta ki danshna ngakermen bah kini kistin badangwan ka mobile penetration kan nambha shushu badhakaliang ka jinga day bat ki gadget naga benta ban yarap ya ki kena school kumba kalang manta ngi nakaliang ka sarkar hidan ka jingmut Henry ngimpat la ban le namar ba kamut batang ke kajet habang edon betul ke kajet dan kam sedih saya ke data kabar ukna haban sale ban yok ban pendon kam tiki dan bun ki jenit ki jenat ki bangila ban pembiang ta ya mentahi hakata ka jingdawa bangin pembiang yakine kita bat kumba fitip hi menta kanong kano life sahajar ngot ki bapas ya ka SSLC lada ka sarkar kan ay ki kelas 11 kamot lada sanajaru kamot sispasan folklore approximately kan pelut ke sarkar na kabenta jangkin ni kamday ka basuk ban kren kalong ka basuk ban implement kamday ka basuk